In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the disk structure is corrupted and unreadable. Click search, type cmd, right click, run as administrator. Here you need to type in chkdsk and space, and here type in the name of the disk that you're having issues with. For me it's the G. Then put 2 dots, space /f space /x. Then press enter and wait for it to load. So once you let it load and finishes, you can close it down, restart your computer, and see if this fixes the issue. Now next thing you can try is go to this PC and find the disk you're having issues with. For example, this one. You would right click, properties, and here you want to go to, so here you need to click on security and then click on edit, click add, and then advanced, and then find now, and here expand this, and you need to choose everyone. Click OK, and then click OK, and then choose everyone, and make sure you allow all permissions, full control. Then press OK, press apply and OK. Then here's same thing, apply and OK. Restart your computer and see if this hopefully fixes your issue.